Hey everyone, this is Meenakshi. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we will see the unboxing and review of Casio Mini Keyboard. This is an electronic keyboard and branding of Casio can be seen on the upper right corner. It has a mini keyboard. The model number of this keyboard is SA47A and this is an Indian version. On the back side, we can see this picture. With the help of this picture, kids can easily learn the basic functionality of every button. This is the built-in grip for easy portability. It has 10 song bank tunes including one Indian tune. This keyboard has two front firing speakers. These are the selection switch to select between 5 pads including two Indian percussion pads. This keyboard includes 50 patterns including 5 Indian rhythm patterns and 100 tones including 4 Indian tones. This is the simple tone selection button. With the help of this button, we can switch between piano, organ and harmonium. This is the melody on off button and easy to read display. And finally, this is the 32 mini size keyboard. MRP of this keyboard is rupees 2995 and at the time of filming this video this keyboard was available on Amazon for rupees 2695. Before we proceed for unboxing, please note that this is not a sponsored video. Now without any further delay, let's open the box. This is the keyboard. The keyboard is made in China, but we can feel the trusted Japanese quality and I really like the build quality. Comes with a 3.5 mm jack to connect headphones so that your child can practice in peace. The keyboard can be powered using the 6AA batteries or the optional LED 6 9.5 volt DC power adapter. These are the keyboard documentations. Let's see one by one. Casio Click and Get. This is warranty card and Casio offers 3 years warranty. User guide. User guide in Hindi and other languages. A song book. And safety instructions. This keyboard is extremely portable and can be operated via 6AA batteries. Let's insert the batteries now. We can see Casio branding here. These are the 2.5 watt speakers, 10 song bank, 50 patterns, 100 tones, power on off button, volume increase decrease slider, 5 percussion pads, tempo up down button, start stop button, melody on off button, tone, tune pattern, song bank buttons. We can switch between piano, organ and harmonium by using this button. This is numeric keypad, and at the center of the keyboard we have this LCD display. This is our keyboard. Let's switch on the keyboard and put the volumes to maximum, and we'll check how the keyboard sounds. Now I am switching to harmonium mode and we'll check how the keyboard sounds. Now we'll check the sound of onboard percussion pads. Now I'm playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star from Song Bank by pressing 03 on the numeric keypad and the start button. Now we will check the sound of few tones. Now we will check one of the pattern sound. Then start. The keyboard sound is loud and clear, and keys are of good quality and feels soft while pressing. The weight of this keyboard is just 1.1 kg and it's portable. Your little ones will find it perfect to use it anywhere. I really recommend this electronic keyboard for your little ones. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, do let me know in the comment box if you want to see more such videos in the future. Thank you for watching.